What's the most sacred thing you know?
What does that mean?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pass.
Family.
Family as well.
God. Life.
Family.
Family.
My faith.
Friends and family.
Honor.
God.
Family.
Truth.
Pass. My turn, right? God and family.
Friends and family.
Truth.
My family.
Family.
Love.
Happiness and family.
Love.
Family, friends, and my animals.
Family.
Jesus.
Unconditional love.
Life.
My relationship with God.
Family.
Life.
Family and my dog.